not only a best-selling author, but also a sales international trainer. Tell us a little bit about your journey and how did you end up in the sales area?
Well, I started to manufacture stuff when I was in my 20s, late 20s, and I realized that if I didn't sell anything in New York City, it wouldn't get sold. So I cold called every single person that I could find in the genre where I was. I was making imprinted sportswear, I made leisure furniture, and I was the chief sales guy in Manhattan. So cold calling in the late 60s, early 70s, you could do it. You could just take the freight elevator and pretty much get anywhere. And the CEO would say, how did you get in here? And I would say, freight elevator like everybody else, and he would let me in.
The front door,
she would
right?
let me in, yeah. Or she would let me in. And I made a lot of sales. So I cut my teeth, as it were, in New York City and became pretty successful at it. And then I began to train it when I realized that I had a talent that other people didn't have. Then in 1992, my first column appeared in the Charlotte Business Journal. I started to write about it, and I went from expert to authority, literally in one day. Wow. And I realized after my first column that if I would just write 100 of them, I had a book. And I did.